Oh, look who showed up late.
Oh.
It broke off.
No, the whole thing came apart.
Where's the other one?
He has it.
God, it's morning.
Oh, good morning, YouTube. How are we all doing out there? Morning's Construction Services. Shane, how's it going
The
this
other
way?
way, yeah.
Big dog showing up late.
Hey, when I go home, I gotta order a set of Slickers. Is that okay? Because they're cheap on Amazon?
Yeah, it is okay.
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 Probably like 60, 40 bucks for a pair.
I'll see, I'll get it.
I gotta get my harness. I'm gonna go take a look at that patch. Doug says if we can patch over it.
Oh, all right, good.
Oh, you wanna see this?
Patch over.
Shane went up there already this morning. But look at it, see what you think. If we can go over it, that'll be perfect so we don't rip the whole fucking wall down. We had to help our buddy too this morning. The guy in the parking lot. His car's dead.
That one?
Yeah. Shane brought his car in, we jumped it, we're sitting there, the thing just, you know what? The thing just went and started, goes, okay, buddy, thank you. I was like, anytime if you need anything, we're right here. So the thing has 300,000 miles.
That thing has 300,000 miles?
And he goes, you know something? I wanted to make it, I want to make it go 400,000, another 100,000 to go, then I get rid of it.
Hey.
You know he has his master's?
Masters?
He spent $30,000 in Suffolk to get his master's degree.
I know it's like that, but
It's
I
too
just
far from all.
I would just say pack it. All right, I can
Patch over that?
Oh no, faster we get it done.
Big belly in it.
I don't know. Let me go look.
I guess I would do my time going up. Yeah, I go up there about how good
What the hell's going on here? You know what's happening here? You guys trying to get out? It's full.
I know, but it doesn't say it out there.
I don't know why they don't have a sign that
No,
says.
I know, so I'm like, okay, so how do we turn around and get out?
Yeah, it's. I know. I can I can move the cones. Just back up in here.
Okay, thank you.
You know you can't park here, right? Yeah, we're just gonna, guys gotta turn around and get out. That's why I just moved the cones. Sorry, parking lot's full. You're welcome.
Thanks.
Sorry about that.
No, that's all right. I wasn't taking it out on you. I'm just like,
Yeah, it's frustrating.
it was too late when I turned in. I didn't realize.
People come in here and they realize there's no more parking because there's no sign over there saying the parking lot's full. So parking lot's full. There's no parking. Nope. It's full.
Oh, full?
Yeah. Sorry. No, it's full of cars. No. Buddy, that's just parking spots. I would tell you there's parking spots. Gosh, man. Boston, what people do for parking. They don't want to do a full repair, so just gonna go right over it. Yes. Shit like that pisses me off.
I'll make them move. Go get mine. How loud my horn's gonna be? How loud this thing is?
Nice thing.
Yeah.
190?
Oh, I give him 195. Yeah, give him 195. I can't roll them down today, right?
Oh, I always participate in that.
Because I still have the...
With the
little bubbles.
Yeah, give it a day.
Not today.
Hmm?
No, not today. Oh, such spaghetti, really. It's kind of boring.
What's barring?
Can't go in there.
I think there's one parking spot. Yeah, there is.
Nothing to do up here, right?
Hmm?
Nothing to do up here. Stinks.
Yeah.
Thought she said she was gonna be 10 minutes.
Oh, it's getting to that point actually. It hasn't been 10 yet.
You can't want to start dropping shit. You doing those?
What?
The big black spot? With all the deteriorated.
Starting to plan.
He can't come in here.
Tell us that one, not where she is. Whoa, whoa! There's no parking. It's full. Unless you can sneak in that one, but
That's a little tight.
I don't know. No idea.
Such a big cop will park in the cop car.
That's what I say all the time. Just like when we get here in the morning, the cop car parked where your car is. It's like you have designated area. You have designated area to park anywhere.
Yep.
There is another parking spot available.
Yeah, there's one down that road, and there's one on the other side of this building.
Small one here.
This one's full.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You gotta drive around the other side.
Took about 3 years to do. Oh, yeah, the parking on the other side? Yeah, whoever's driving is pulling in now, so if they try to go in this spot, they're not going in. I need to pay like $20 for that.
Because I'm going to say it right now. Yeah, there's a reason why I told her there's no parking in here. Because now you're going to back up. Huh? I know you pay, but where you going to park? I can't hear you.
Just gotta come out.
Right, I let her use my spot. These spots are not for use. Like I said, on the other side of this building, there's another parking lot. Looks the same thing. I don't know if that one's full, but if you drive around the block, there's another one on the other side of this building. So now you're gonna turn in here and turn around and cause up more of my time. Turn around. Does she really need help? So I'm gonna be dealing with this shit all day. So sick and tired of this job already. You need help?
Yeah. The car didn't pass me.
Try it again, tap.
It was the same car when I was filming.
Let's give it a second.
Is that the new system?
Yeah, it's brand new.
Brand new? Oh. Try now to fly.
One second. The parking lot's full. Oh, come on. You have another card?
Yeah.
Try that one. This thing's full of molasses. Thank you. You're good. Go ahead. don't think they. I think it was the company that reads the plate because he just got in. That's why. I told him 3 times. Don't come in here. I told you there's a reason why I told you not to come in here.
Yeah, I pay. Where am I supposed to park? You're not.
You coming? 603.
Is there any hardware stores around?
Yeah.
Ah, I can't leave until I get the card.
Go talk to our buddy. You gotta have an empty bucket. Want me to go talk to him?
You want me to go to Home Depot and buy one?
I have the card.
I don't care. Go do whatever you gotta do. If I have to work late, I work late. Mom will come and pick me up.
What's the issue? It's down the street. It's 10 minutes from here. I don't know what the big deal is.
I don't think around here there's hardware stores.
No, go Home Depot.
Charles Street Supply, it's down the road.
Did they give me parking?
Huh?
Did they give me parking? The process.
I don't know. Just drive down there. If you see one, you see one. If you're not, just Home Depot.
Alright, what code here?
54 Charles Street.
Charles Street, what?
54 Charles Street, Boston.